Grade 6 to 8. Expect delays. And you didn't want to go to that?
What? Okay, hold on. Let me catch up on the vlog. So, hey guys. But that's making a big deal. Now, I haven't posted in a while because I've been taking a break from YouTube. Yeah, listen to that on the mic. I've been taking a break from YouTube just to kind of settle into what's going on with me and my girlfriend. And I'm pretty much settled now. But today we are going to Kroger to make slime. I have my dad's phone right here. And we're gonna have a video on how to make slime. And basically just go to Kroger and make slime. So yeah, it should be fun. And hey, let's go. So and we're also going to a Christmas parade next, so it'll be a very long vlog. So see you guys. Meh. Meh. Okay guys, so we are about to go get stuff to make slime, and I'm gonna act stupid in the store probably, because I have ADHD. I know that has like nothing to do with it, but still, we'll do some dumb stuff. We cannot find the glue at all. We literally cannot find it. Wait, do you have the video pulled up? Oh my gosh. Get the video pulled up so we can find it. I got pants. A lot of pants. It's ugly. We need Elmer's glue. I know that. Ticks. I love ticks. Okay, yeah. We need
to find
Elmer's glue. That's first. First to understand, then to be a... Hey Daddy, the Grinch movie came out. Can we go see that this weekend? Daddy, the new Grinch movie is out.
Yeah, we're gonna go see it when you come back. So
what? But Daddy, what if it's not out when I come back? I want to see it. I want to see it this weekend.
Baby, we ain't gonna have time this weekend.
Oh. Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. So time to find some Elmer's glue.
Right there.
Wait, could we use this glue? Make it look cool?
Elmer's glitter glue, I guess. Let me see.
Cause I want to use some of this. Some glitter glue, glitter slime. That would look cool. That would look really cool. The face. Oh my god. These are the headphones that I need. This is my nose. Does it say that we could use any glue? Because I want to use that. I want to use that. Or does it just say Elmer's glue? Okay. That's loud. Okay, we got the glue, and sadly we cannot use the glitter glue. Yes, I know it's sad. I really wanted to use the glitter glue. And why is this place so loud? I always have this trouble with Walmart. Always so loud. Thank you for all the people that said, are you okay? Or just said anything. Stop! Sorry, coming out the lens. So basically, we couldn't use the glitter glue, which is sad. But I like the glue. Ouchie. I ran to the wall. There's a little butt soap. I got soap buttons. What the freak? I'm literally pressing this and it's like ripping. That's creepy. So wait, what? Gorilla what? Gorilla contact solution. I should make that. Shut up! Shut up! They did it. Why is it so loud? I don't like going to Walmart. What the heck? You got your squishy. You got your testes. Yeah. The. Oh. Wait. Please. Dang it. That was fun to do. So they put these under. Oh wait, they put these under here so you don't do that, but still did it. Oh, I put it in the trash can too.
Did you know what sodium tetrabate is?
My gosh. No, what's it used for?
Making homemade slime.
Oh.
It
I
says
spent my
sodium
entire
tetrabate.
summer making slime with my granddaughter.
It says sodium tetrabate or borax.
Borax. I know what borax is.
Oh gosh.
Should use that word. I got that. Borax. Right down here.
Oh gosh. Is
this your first time making slime?
Second actually. But
you can do
it was
it
a long
with
time.
shaving cream. You can do it
Yeah,
with
I wouldn't-
air freshener.
I want to do it with shaving cream to make fluffy slime, but
Yeah.
but
My granddaughters are 8 and 10, well, almost 9 and 10, and they did like videos all summer, like YouTube videos showing people how to make slime. And I'm like, I'm so glad summer's over. No more slime in Mimi's house. Now I know why they wouldn't let my daughters say no more slime in my house, because it's all on the carpet and everything.
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
And unfortunately, that's the smallest container.
Wow.
There you go.
Sorry about that.
They don't have the
You
little.
don't even know what you're apologizing for. This man's fixing to make slime.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
It's fun. But that is the smallest one we have. Is there anything else on there you need help with?
No, we got the rest of it.
You got
Thank
the
you.
rest of it?
Yes.
You know, they sell the glue in the big.
we need to go get that. Let's go.
I don't know that we have that one out, but we sell it. They sell it. It's like $14 for a lifetime supply.
Yeah.
And glitter glue and all kinds of neon glue.
Yeah, I wanted to use the glitter glue to make it, but I'm scared it's not
The
gonna
glitter
work.
glue is really expensive though. It's like $5. The others are
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go now before I make this work for you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, so let's get this Clorox.
That's cool. We want the borax.
Borax.
But
What do you?
we're gonna put this up. We're gonna go to Walmart because Walmart has it in the little ones.
Daddy, no. Let's just get that. My gosh, you are such a cheapskate.
Honey, that's more boric acid than I'll use in my life.
I have to shut those up. Dude, that was cute. Oh my gosh.
If we have this at Walmart, we can get it cheaper too.
Was Walmart closed?
Yeah, it's closed.
How far?
I thought you asked if it was closed. It's just down the road.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go to Walmart. Hopefully we can find this and so we're gonna go to Walmart to find it, and if we don't, then
We'll get back with it.
yeah. I mean, y'all don't even have to hang tight. Like, literally to y'all, it'd be like not even a second. So, yeah. So we're at Walmart now, and we're trying to get the stuff for slime. So, yeah. They're candy canes. I'm gonna eat this later. I'm gonna eat this on our way out. Take a lick. Now, so while we're here, I'm gonna try to get a drink. Wow, this place is not as loud. Holy cow. Fake L's. So while we're here, we need to get a drink. My mouth is dry. Could you imagine running with that? gosh, that would be so loud. What the heck? Blue, black, white, pink, purple, red. Colorblind. This is black and yellow. Batman. That's purple. That's Dink. That's Dink. That's Link. That's Chink. That's Pink.
Now we gotta go all the way back to the other end.
They put cotton. They put cotton in their tree. Why would they put cotton in their tree? Alright, so we need glue and shaving cream, and then we have all the other materials at home. So.
Yeah, it's water and food colorings.
Oh yeah, food
So
coloring.
we're going to use
Water.
the glitter glue, so that'll do away with the...
With the what? They'll do away with the what?
food coloring.
No, I don't. I mean, you don't have to use the glitter glue, because what if it messes it up? No, let's just do normal glue. Yeah, with the shaving cream, the glue, and the food coloring. So with the shaving cream, the glue, and the food coloring. Okay, we almost have all the stuff to make slime, and it is going to be so fun. But I hope it turns out right, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be very sad. Because, like, we spent like this whole time trying to make this slime. And we literally spent like 30 minutes in this store, and I'm not being dramatic. Literally 30 minutes. Depressing. Go follow me on TikTok, by the way. My username is Cameron12345 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, Cameron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, Cameron's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think. I have no idea. Just go follow me. Okay, love you guys.
Welcome. Please scan your first item.
Yeah, sure. Okay, oh yeah, wait, a drink. Can I get a drink?
Yes, the small one.
Okay, I don't even know where they are. I can't even find them. They look, their name's Venom. Venom.
Get it right there.
Okay, so, yeah. So basically, we are just gonna go make the slime, and I'll update you at the parade. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.